Hello, dear friends. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel, The Achievers Education. My name is Ritesh, and I want to thank all of you all for those who are watching this video and landing on this video because you trusted in me and you are ready for taking the maximum value. I welcome you all to Master English Communication and Public Speaking program. Today it is second video where we'll be talking about how to handle panic. Okay, how when you feel breathless, okay, or is your breathing getting faster when you speak in front of the people, or when you go on the stage, is it something like that happening to you that your breathing becomes heavy, okay, when you speak with the people? So all of those doubts are going to be cleared. This is also one of the self doubt that happens to every person, isn't it? ये चीजें होती ही हैं हमेशा, ओके, कि जब भी हम लोग स्टेज पे आते हैं हमारी सांसें एकदम से फास्ट चलना शुरू हो जाती है, हमारी धड़कन एकदम से तेज होना शुरू हो जाती है. एज अ रिजल्ट वी स्टार्ट गेटिंग पैनिक्ड, isn't it? So ये सारी चीजें हमारे साथ में होती है. एंड टू रिमूव ऑल ऑफ दिस थिंग्स, ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई आउट सम हैक्स. ये कुछ डेली प्रैक्टिसेस करने से, ओके, और फॉलोइंग दिस tips and techniques during the time of your speech, I am sure you will not be suffering from such kind of situation, that is having heavy breathing during the speech. Okay, so let us begin this thing, how it works and how will I be able to help you all. Ready? So the very first thing is that one thing I would also like to ask you that whenever you go to gym, okay, this is just some examples which I am giving you, okay, जब भी आप जिम जाते हो एक काफी लंबे समय के बाद में, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल आप रेगुलर जिम में एक्सरसाइज करने जाते हो, यू आर वन हु इज गोइंग टू जिम रेगुलरली, बट देयर इज अ टाइम गैप ऑफ 2 months now, and now after that if you are going to go to the gym, if you try to do the same regular workout which you used to do 2 months before, I am damn sure you will be out of breath, okay, because you haven't developed that much of stamina between this gap, right? Similarly, if you go for a jogging, all of a sudden एक random दौड़ लगा के आते हो 2-3 महीने के बाद में, okay, I am sure you will be out of breath. ये ऐसा क्यों होता है? Why it happens? Okay, why it happens? It happens just because your body is not accustomed to it, okay? आपकी body जो है उसको आदत नहीं होती है, right? It takes 21 days actually to develop a habit, okay? It's the fact, okay? 21 दिन लगते हैं कोई भी हैबिट को डेवलप करने के लिए. एंड देयरफॉर आई एम टेलिंग यू कि पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एक ऐसा कुछ चीज है, until and unless आप रेगुलरली उसको करते जाओ, until and unless you keep on doing it regularly for at least for 1 month, okay, you are not going to be efficient or a good speaker, okay? So same goes with the having heavy breathing when you are speaking. अगर आप 21 दिन से कम, आई मीन एटलीस्ट 1 महीना अगर आप लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे कि ये सारे जो टेक्निक्स मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, आपका जो सिचुएशन है हर बार स्टेज के पास जाके स्टेज पे जाकर हमेशा हैवी ब्रीदिंग होना, ये हमेशा लगा ही रहेगा. सो देयरफॉर यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस दिस थिंग, ओके, यू हैव टू मेक योर बॉडी अकस्टम. आपको अपने बॉडी को वो सिखाना पड़ेगा, ये बताना पड़ेगा कि मुझे ये चीजों की आदत है, ओके, आई एम यूज्ड टू गो ऑन द स्टेज. यू हैव टू टेल दिस थिंग टू योर बॉडी, राइट? यू हैव टू मेक इट अकस्टम्ड, ओके, उसको आदत लगवानी पड़ेगी. एंड अगेन दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ नर्वसनेस ओनली, ओके, ये भी एक प्रकार का नर्वसनेस ही है. तो चलो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन यू टैकल इट आउट, ओके. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस सिचुएशन ऑफ योर विच इज हैपनिंग विथ यू, ये स्टेज पे जाके डरना, हमेशा हैवी सांसें होना, ओके, ब्रीदिंग एकदम फास्ट होना, ये सब चीजों को आप अपने एडवांटेज में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. I am really telling you this, you can really convert it to your advantage, okay, to your nervousness, right? So let us see. So whenever there's few things you have to follow, okay, so whenever you go on the stage or whenever you go for an interview or whenever you speak with people, be it public or be in general, okay, make sure you are wearing the clothes which are comfortable to you, okay, comfortable or loose enough to you that you are able to breathe easily within this, under those clothes. Now by loose I didn't mean something like this, इस प्रकार का लूज पहन के नहीं जाएंगे, okay, you will be wearing something like this in which you are fit, okay. As you can see this lady, even though she is fat, okay, but she is comfortable in her clothes, right? And not something like this or not something like this, right? So wear those kind of clothes only in which you are comfortable enough, okay. So be it loose, then no problem, okay, चलेगा. नेक्स्ट थिंग, ओके, सी होता कैसा है, आपकी ब्रीदिंग जो है इट इज ऑल मोर इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके. व्हेन यू वेयर लूज एंड कंफर्टेबल क्लोथ्स यू विल बी एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपर्ली, राइट, ओके. और फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस, जैसे कि एक बहुत सिंपल सी बात है, ओके, मैं यहाँ पे अगर थ्रोट कैच करके रखता हूँ, ऐसे दबा के रखता हूँ, विल यू बी एबल टू ब्रीथ प्रॉपरली? Exactly, right? So similarly, you also have to wear clothes comfortable enough that your breathing, your respiration process have, your organs have that space to breathe, okay, make in and out movements, okay, easily, right? Yeah, exactly. So that is what one thing I want, okay. So wear comfortable clothes and loose clothes. Second important thing is that drink a lot of water before you go for a speech, before you go for a interview, or whenever you speak with people, or keep drinking water, okay. Keep your throat always, wet, okay. That is more important, because if you don't do that, your throat will be dry, okay, and then you will be again feeling out of breath, okay, and again you will not feel right, you will feel uncomfortable, okay. So this is one important thing. Above all, also I would like to tell you one more important thing is that use the loo also, okay. Go to toilet as well, okay. Not simply going on drinking water and staying at a place, and at the right moment of time, it is the time to go for your speech or be it for your interview. At that particular time, you will get the pressure of urinating or urination, okay. You will not be comfortable at that moment as well. So whenever you get the right time, do go before the speech or your interview to the loo, okay, to the toilet, and get urinated yourself, okay, right. Next thing, and next important thing is that, so water is very important, okay. And then third one, okay, stand or sit with the right posture, okay. Of course, sitting correctly is matters a lot, okay. You sit like this way, the nervousness will increase more. You sit something like this way, nervousness will increase more. You got to sit straight, okay, or be it standing also, stand correctly, both the legs, okay. Distribution of equal weight of your weight, okay, on both the legs, okay. These all things are very very important. सही तरीके से बैठो, एकदम आगे झुक के भी नहीं बैठना है, एकदम पीछे झुक के भी नहीं, पीछे जाके टेक के भी नहीं बैठना है, एकदम आंख खड़े रहते हैं तो ऐसा बो डाउन करके नहीं खड़ा रहना है, ओके. सो सही तरीके से आपने खड़ा रहना है, जिसमें हमारा स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, हमारी जो रीढ़ की हड्डी है, वो सीधी रहे, ओके. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग which is very very important is that take a pause, okay. Ruko, okay. As I always say, okay, whenever you speak and if you are feeling uncomfortable, start taking pause. Take 2-3 seconds pause, think fast, okay, and again restart. Understood? So रुको, सोचो और फिर से बोलो, okay. By doing this exercise, your breathing will automatically cool down, okay. Automatically आपका breathing जो है normal हो जाएगा, and you will be able to feel more comfortable than ever, okay. Practice these techniques and tips regularly. I am telling you, you are going to be never the person who will be self-doubting yourself regarding public speaking. These are the fundamentals that you need to clear it, okay. आपको ये fundamentals आपको पहले clear करना पड़ेगा. Only then you can move forward to the actual public speaking, and that's why I'm making you do this practice. So go ahead and practice. How did you like this video? Just let me know in the comment section, and please hit like button and also subscribe to my channel, The Achievers Education, and hit on the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of this video series which I am preparing it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video till here. Lots of love and respect. This is Ritesh Chandagar signing off until we meet next time. Thank you and have a good day.